Hello super users! So if you're like me, that big square finale logo looks really ugly in the dock, especially with the new consistent macOS icons in Big Sur. So we're going to learn how to fix this in just 5 minutes, probably even less. Now before we begin, YouTube tells me a full 3/4 of you aren't subscribed to this channel and are missing out on a ton of useful finale tips. So right now, check to make sure you're subscribed, that way you can become a finale super user. So if you haven't seen my original version, it looks like this. It's a nice big circle instead of the big square because a lot of icons on the old systems typically were circles and it just fits a lot nicer. And I'll have a link to the original video in the description. And now I've just updated it for macOS Big Sur. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to my website, download this PNG file, and I'll have a link to this in the description below. So we're just going to download it. Let's save it to downloads. And then if we go to Finder, let's just unzip this. I have 2 versions in here. I have the old version, which is the big circle, and the new version, which is very good for macOS Big Sur. Let's just double click this to open this up in preview. Command A and Command C, that just highlights everything and copies it. And then we're going to come over here to the actual application file. So Command Shift A to go to Applications. Let's just search for Finale. And we want to go to Get Info. You can also do this with just hitting Command I. Select the logo and hit Command V to paste in the new image. And that is it. That's how you update the logo. Now, it may take a while for the logo to actually update in your dock, but you should see it update over here right away. And if you really want the update to happen right now, just restart your computer. But for me, it took like 15 minutes and then the dock updated. Now, if you want to make sure that Finale on Big Sur works the way that you need it to, check out my live stream that I did last Friday, where we looked at all the details in Finale, including a lot of the third-party plugins and integrations with things like Note Performer to see how well they actually work on Big Sur. So that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know you want more content just like this. And each week I post new videos about how to use Finale to its fullest, so if you don't want to miss out on any of those, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out.